morning, students. This is time for our online science class. So, we are in the chapter 5. The name of the chapter, plant reproduction. We already completed this chapter. I think you all read the chapter thoroughly. And now I am going to tell you once again the main points of this chapter. Actually, all living things reproduce, and plants depend on wind, insects and birds for pollination to produce seeds. Seeds have seed coat, seed leaves or cotyledons and embryo. Plants depend on wind, water, animals or explosion for seed dispersal. A seed needs water, warmth and air to germinate. Plants can also reproduce through their body parts like stem, roots and leaves. This kind of reproduction is called vegetative reproduction. Now I am going to discuss the question answers. Mainly today I will discuss the objective type question answers on this chapter. Firstly, A. Name the following. The process of fusion of male and female gametes is called as a fertilization. The seed leaves inside a seed is called as cotyledons. The fusion of male and female gametes or cells form this zygote. Answer. The process by which a seed grows into a seedlings, germination. Baby plant is called this embryo. Hard protective covering of seed coat. A tiny pore on the seed coat, micropyle. This part of embryo develops into shoot system, answer plumule. Baby root of the embryo, radicle. Seeds which need cold temperature to break down the seed coat, answer stratification. The process by which the seeds are scattered away from the parent plant, dispersal. A seed that contains two cotyledons, dicotyledonous. Under this way of dispersal, fruits of a plant burst open or on drying up. Explosion. Process of reproduction from the plant part. Vegetative reproduction. Man-made process of growing new plants from the parent plant. Artificial vegetative reproduction. The answer is artificial vegetative reproduction. Ferns reproduce through this spores. 17. A process of artificial vegetative reproduction, grafting or stem cutting. Okay. Now, next is fill in the blanks. After fertilization, the ovules finally form the seeds and the ovary form the fruit. After pollination, the pollen tube extends from the pollen grain to the ovary through pistil. Reproductive part of a plant are present in the flower of a plant. Stigma produces a sticky substances. The pollen tube contains male cells. After fertilization, the ovules finally form the seeds. Seeds contain only one cotyledon are called monocotyledonous. The vegetative part of the plant can give rise to a new plant. Vegetative reproduction of plant is of 4 types. The seed dispersal is carried out by agents of dispersal. Fertilization is a form of sexual reproduction. The reproduction by stem is a kind of vegetative reproduction. Coconut and lotus seeds are dispersed with the help of water. Water, winds and animals are agents of seed dispersal. Vegetative reproduction can be natural or artificial. Some seeds have hooks and spines which stick to the furry body of animal and get carried away. Now, next question is, give 2 examples for each of the following. Monocotyledonous, corn, garlic. Dicotyledonous, pulses, kidney beans. Fruits with 1 seed, avocado and mango. Fruits with many seeds, orange, apple. Seeds dispersed by winds, maple, dandelion, maple, dandelion. Next, seed dispersed by water, coconut, lotus. Seeds dispersed by explosion, lady's finger, pea. Plants reproduce by roots, sweet potato, carrot. Plants reproduce by leaves, biophyllum, kalanchoe. Kalanchoe, it pronounced kalanchoe. Plants reproduction by stems, sugarcane, potato. Plants reproduce by spores, ferns, mosses. Plants reproduce by stem cuttings, rose, hibiscus. Next, choose the correct option. It is homework for you, all of you. In the next class I'll give you the answers, then you can check your answer with my answer. In the artificial vegetative reproduction process grafting, the upper part of the fused branch is called what? Shoots, scion or stalk. You have to tick the correct answer. Which of these is not a form of artificial vegetative reproduction? Grafting, layering, reproduction by root. Which one is correct? You have to tick that. Process of vegetative reproduction by bending and burying branches of parent plant under the soil. Grafting, layering or stem cutting. The fruit which bears its seeds on the outside. Beans, strawberry, watermelon. Plant which store its food in the roots. Sweet potato, moss, peas. This plant has underground stem. Papaya, banana, ginger. Stem pieces with buds put into the soil and a new plant grow from it. It is called what? Natural vegetative reproduction, artificial vegetative reproduction or sexual reproduction of plant. What is the correct answer? You have to take it out. Which of these is not a form of natural vegetative reproduction? Reproduction by roots, grafting, reproduction through leaves. The following condition is essential for germination of seeds. Water, oxygen and suitable temperature. Option B, oxygen, suitable temperature and no water. Option C, water, suitable temperature but no oxygen. You have to choose the correct answer from these three options. 10. A seed contains a plumule radicle. B, embryo, cotyledon, seed leaves. C, embryo, cotyledon. You have to choose the correct option from A, B and C. So, these all are the homework for you. And there is also another homework for you. Draw and label structure of a seed, germination of seed. These two you have to draw and label and practice it, because in the exam there may be question on that drawing. Okay, so you all study that whole chapter and the objective type questions, and you just write this all the questions in your copy and remember it. Okay, and memorize all the question. So that's this much for our today's class, and bye till our next class.